as the Bitcoin price is right now sideways but is heading to a massive move soon. But I do not care if market is volatile or completely boring and sideways. Still, here is a small analysis for all my viewers. Hello guys, welcome to The Wolf. So let's get straight to the point. So as the Bitcoin price continues to stay inside the parallel channel, indicating that as it is struggling around a crucial level. But no for long, because according to my analysis, there is a massive move incoming. But will the price go up or down? If you want to find out, then you can visit my channel and watch my last video, or I will provide that video's link from description. Okay, so coming back to the chart, yesterday, that is on Sunday, the price that was completely sideways started to move upside with a small pump. But I knew that small ump can't last forever, because max to max it can go to my purple level I have marked at $31,000. Well, I knew this because on Friday the Bitcoin futures CME market closed at approximate $29,880 level. So I know that if the Bitcoin price moves to the upside before the Monday market opens, then it would create a gap in the futures market on Monday. That means the market has to obviously come down to fill the gap again. So it is now worthless for the price to pump or dump on weekend, because when the futures opens on the weekday, it has to come again to the same level, because of the gap formed. That's why if you notice closely, the Bitcoin price and the mostly whole cryptocurrency industry price is sideways with no volatility. Okay, so now let me show the Bitcoin futures CME market I'm talking about. So if you closely look at the third last candle, which is the last candle of the previous week, that is the candle of the last Friday, then you will notice that it closed on $28,800 level. That means, on the weekend if the Bitcoin price moves massively above or below that level, then there will be a gap formed on Monday. So as the candle was heading forward straight up, I knew that it is of no point and would return and come back. And that same happened, the price failed to move high, and remained normal and sideways. That why you right now see, there is no gap formed in today's candle, because the price went up but also came down in just few hours. But also here is a bonus analysis for you all. So right now I'm switching to the daily time frame of the Bitcoin CME futures chart. So I am drawing the Fibonacci tool from the low of November 9th, 2022, to the recent high at July 13th, 2023. And if you want to find that how low the price can fall, then draw the Fibonacci tool from low to high. And if you want to know that how high can a price go, then draw the Fibonacci tool high to low. Okay, so after drawing this Fibonacci tool, here have a look that the golden's level, that is the 0.618 level, is coming exactly at the $20,500 level to Apric's $20,800 level. It is the same level where a CME gap was formed, and has not been filled till now, so it increases the chances of the price to fall the way down to that golden Fibonacci level add level where the CME gap has formed. And guys, if you want to trade stocks and Forex also accept crypto market, then you can easily trade that on Exness. You can go below this video's description and you can find a link to create your account on Exness. It is the best Forex broker I use. It is the most trusted and secure broker, and plus, you can get up to a $1,000 deposit gift for free. So do create an account today and start your epic Forex and stocks trading journey on Exness. From the link in description. Okay, so guys, that's it for today's small analysis. I hope you gained plethora of knowledge. Do like the video or dislike, it's up to you. But do give your valuable feedback. See you guys next time.